Here's how we can change the iPad layout using Focus. So let's get started. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step would be to set up the home screen page according to, to set up the one you want to use in your focus mode, right? So you can see I have a couple of pages. I can hold it down on the home screen, reorganize the apps, or add new ones from the app library, or even just go to a brand new empty page and set up everything from scratch. So I can add my widgets or, add the apps in any order as I want, right? I have to customize it at first, and that is going to be my home screen page. Then I can move on to the settings app where I will naturally find the focus modes. I can select it, and choose which one I want this to apply to. So for example, I'm going to pick the personal, and then for the lock screen and home screen, I get to select a brand new one, right? So when I click on the home screen, I'll be able to select the pages that I just created. And I can decide that whenever I enable this personal focus mode, only that home screen page will be visible, right? So when I come back to the home screen, switch my iPad to the personal focus, the apps on the home screen will look different because, of course, only that particular home screen page will be shown to you. So that is generally how it works. It's not really that complicated. You can only you have to set it up beforehand and then choose that page for a specific focus mode. But that's it. That's how it works. Let me know what you think about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll catch you later in the next tutorial as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.